Imagine it's 11 p.m. A delivery rider is rushing through the traffic to deliver a late night order. He's already completed 12 odd deliveries today, but if he completes 3 more, he might earn a bonus. If not, his earnings might drop. He does not have a fixed salary, no insurance, and no guarantee of tomorrow. Yet he keeps going. Why? This is the reality of India's gig economy today in 2026. The problem is platforms like Swiggy, Zomato, and Uber have transformed convenience. They offer flexibility, which basically means work from anywhere and anytime, and earn based on the amount of effort that you put in. But behind this flexibility lies instability that is growing. So, gig workers do not have fixed income, they do not receive any kind of health or social security benefits, and basically have to depend on unpredictable algorithms for their earnings. Even basic expenses like fuel and vehicle maintenance they have to bear by them. Now let's just understand why this matters. Because companies reduce costs by avoiding traditional employment structures, the risk shift entirely towards the workers. And this leads to income uncertainty, lack of financial security, expansion of informal labor. And while these platforms continue to grow rapidly, the workers remain vulnerable and basically replaceable by the huge population that our country already has. So the question is this empowerment or a disguised exploitation? Point of perspective, I thought of some solutions that can be implemented throughout the whole economy, and it includes: to make gig work fair and sustainable, we should introduce minimum earning guarantees, provide basic insurance and social security, improve the transparency in how algorithms assign work and calculate the pay that the laborers get. Creating strict and clear labor laws might help the gig workers in long run. Some of these policies are being discussed, but the implementation of it remains slow, especially in the rural areas where the gig workers are entirely dependent on these platforms. The problem is not the gig economy. The problem is growth without protection, because convenience should not come at the cost of someone else's stability. That's it. Thank you.